Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this session, we are going to cover Python programming part 2. We are covering operators, arithmetic operator, relational operator, conditional operators, data types, numerical data types, string data type, list, tuple, and dictionary data types we are covering. In conditional statements, we are covering if statement, else if statement, and nested if statement. And loops, we are covering for loop and while loop in this session, so that hope it will be very interesting, and we are giving a very simple example and easy understanding. Hope you like this video. Before entering to the course, you are not subscribed our channel, I am requesting you to press the red color button below this video and press the bell icon for next updates. Thank you. The first step how to go enter into the thing means Anaconda prompt. You have to go to Anaconda prompt. Once you enter into the Anaconda prompt, you create one separate directory for you. Okay. In D colon, usually I will keep all the data in D colon, because C colon, why I am not keeping the data means sometime virus effect and other thing we have to format C colon, so that better you can keep your things in a D colon. It is a suggestion. Okay. Now cd myPython. We can yesterday I created one thing, I deleted that file. Okay, you can be able to give notebook. You are giving a Jupyter notebook, it will be on, it will be open. Okay, now I am creating a new book. Go Python, I am creating one new notebook. Okay, here the functions I am telling you, you are seeing that it is there is one green color box is coming now. You just click on the line, it will convert into blue. Once it is converted into blue, you click on the line, it will convert to blue. Just don't need to go to insert and press that this button, insert cell below, like that. Just what you can know, it is in a blue. You can see now B and A. Just you type B. You can add n number of rows, we can able to add it automatically. You want above the things means A, B means below, A means above, like that. Okay, now I want to add some comment here. Okay, now I can able to give operators. Okay, arithmetic operator. It is a, I want it is a non-executable thing. One thing you can able to do, you can give the hash symbol. It is like a comment statement. It is a comment, you can see now it will be changing. It is a one option. Second option will be in this thing, in the cell prompt, you can go to the cell type, markdown is there. No, you make it, it is a markdown. It is a non-executable. You can control C, that box will be gone out. There is a in this thing, in this version I am not getting that heading. Even heading also coming. You are making a heading, it will become good. So, okay. Now in this arithmetic operator, what are the arithmetic operator? I am giving comment. Addition, plus symbol, subtraction, okay, and multiplication and division. Okay, these are the four symbols, you are aware of the things. And usually in the all the programming language, we have the one more thing called the modulus operator. It will give the remainder. And one more thing is exponential. Some program they will use the cap symbol, but here we have to use the double star. It is we have to use here. Okay, now you want to execute means here the in number is there. Now in it is empty, still it is not executed. You have to press Control Enter, it will come 1. It is a comment statement, nothing is there. Okay, in the next thing I am going to print that. You can use print statement, or you can directly do 10 plus 3, enter, it will come 13. Okay, 10 minus 3, it is become 7. 10 3, 10 multiplication 30. 10 divided by 3, it is a 3.33. Then 10 modulus 3, It is giving, it is a remainder. You know, quotient is 3 and remainder is 1. It is coming out. Okay. Now 10 double star 3, what it will come? 100, 1000 it will come. Correct? No? These are the arithmetic operators. Okay. Now next thing is a relational operator. Okay, relational operator, you want comment you can do, or you can go to the cell, selecting mark down, it is a M, you are giving M, it will come, control enter. I want to add the cell below B, you add B, you can add, it will add. Okay, relational operators are there. What are the relational operator? I will make it in a comment. You know, less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, here the thing exclamation mark and equal to, and what is the thing, equal to, not equal to, then greater than or equal to, then less than or equal to. These are the relational operators. You are aware of the thing, 6 relational operator. Here what we can do, 10 is less than 3. It is a false. You know, Boolean value it will give. So that 10 is less than 3 means it is a false. 10 is greater than 3 means it is a true. 10 is equal to 3, it is a false. Equal to symbol, we have to give double equal to. You are getting error, don't become panic. Okay, you read the error. Okay, cannot assign a literal. Okay, what it is telling, we can't able to, it is a variable. A equal to 3 means it will store it in a. But here what I am trying to do, I am trying to store 3 on 10. 10 is a constant. How we can able to store? So that comparison, that is equal to you have to give. It is a false. Then 10 is not equal to 3. It is a true. Oh, these are the main relational operator. That less than or equal to will comes under conditional operator only, but we can able to tell that 10 is greater than or equal to 3. 10 is greater than or equal to 3. Any one condition. Okay, 10 is not equal to 3, but it is a greater than 3. So that it is a true. 10 is less than or equal to 3, it is giving false. Okay, so that you know there are nearly 6 arithmetic operator and 6 relational operator. Then what is other things are there? Conditional operator. Okay, conditional operator. Again you can give it, make it as a blue color and type M become, it is a command thing. You can control enter, it will be conditional operator. In conditional operator, what are the things are there? You know, and, or, not. These 3 things are and or not. I think you are aware of truth table. Okay. When we have to use the and symbol, when you are going to get a pass in your SSLC, your mark is greater than subject 1 mark. Subject 1 mark is greater than 40, and your mark is subject 2 mark is greater than 40, and subject 3 mark is greater than 40. In all the condition and, then only you are passed to promoted to PUC. Correct? No? Or +1 you are going to do. So that all the conditions satisfy only you will get, okay, you will get a job. When you will get the job, you have to clear in a group discussion, you have to clear in a written test, you have to clear in a interview, oral interview, then only you will get the job. That is a and. Okay. Now R function, where we can use the R function. R function, any one condition you are matching also you will qualified. For example, you will get a seat in a college. Either your cutoff mark will be greater than assigned cutoff mark, or any one of your family member will be worked in military, or you have some special permission, like that R function we are having. No, that time we have to use the R function. Usually where we are getting this R function, there are 100 departments in a car manufacturing unit. In a car manufacturing unit, you are taking there is assembling section, painting section, and quality control, purchase department, sales department. Lot of things are there. Now I am the manager. Okay, I am telling him I want the employees from purchase department and sales department. The word will become purchase department and sales department, but your query will be how the thing. No, if the employee department equal to purchase or employee department equal to sales, anyone and or. Okay, so that and we can't use because any two among these two department, any one department is okay, so that we have to go or function. Okay, now not function where to use. I am telling that I want all the department member other than purchase department, so that you are writing the query for this thing, it will be headache, so that you can able to tell not purchase department means all the people will come. No, simple. So that not function we can use, so that you are the programmer where we have to use which function. By practice you will get all these things. Okay, now I am getting the things. Okay, now 10 is greater than 3 and 10 is equal to 3. What will happen? Equal to means equal to 3. Here the first condition is false, second condition also false, so that our answer will be false only come. 10 is first condition is true, 10 is greater than 3 is true, 10 is equal to 3 is false. Any one goes wrong also it will be false, so that only you will get the result false. Same thing I am doing with 10 is greater than 3 or 10 is equal to 3. What will get? It is nothing but then here you are seeing that no, 10 is greater than or equal to 3. It is shortcut only. Here the or function, 10 is greater than 3 or 10 is equal to 3 means here 10 is greater than 3 is false. It is true. 10 is equal to 3 is false. So that it will come true. You got it, no? So that we can able to use not 10 is greater than 3. It is a 10 is greater than 3 is true, it will make ulta, that is a false, it will come. So that these are the arithmetic operators. Okay, relational operator, conditional operator, so that you have to remember these things. There are 6 arithmetic operator, 6 relational operator and 3 conditional operators you have to remember. Okay, I can share this notebook file also to you for your easy understanding. I am storing it as a exercise operator.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Sir.
Okay, now what is the thing means we covered you what is meant by arithmetic operator and relational operator and conditional operator. I covered you. Okay, and I saved this file as an exercise operators. Okay, then you don't want, you can close it. Okay, now then we are going to cover you about the data types. Okay, now you want to create one more thing, new Python. You can able to go here. It will create a new thing. You can able to make it as an ex data types. Okay, ex data types, I can rename it. Okay, it is a come now. Now in this session I am going to shuffle you with the PPT and this slideshow will come. Okay, Python data types. Here we are going to cover you numeric, string, list, tuple, dictionary. These are the 5 data types available, main data types available in Python. Now in a numeric thing, what are the data types are available means you are having int, long, float, complex numbers. Int means integer. Usually in all the languages integer will have the 656. Long will be, you can store 10 crore, 100 crore numbers, you can do integer without decimal point. Float we can able to go in C programming, you will have float double will be there, but here the float you only, it will occupy up to 15 decimal places, it will occupy. Even you can able to store the complex number also in Python. That is a one new added thing in a Python, complex numbers. Okay, now how to we can able to do means, you can see here a equal to 100 we are giving. Okay, now print, type the variable having the value a is type of a you are giving means it will give the int, it will come, it will give the, it will print the type of b means we are assigning 10.2345 we are giving, no, it will come as a float. And you are giving that 100 plus 3j, like that. This is a complex number, we are not going to use for scientific calculation, other thing they will going to use. You are giving type of c means it will come the complex number, it will come. Okay, like that we can execute in the our Jupyter notebook, we can able to check all these things. Okay, so that integer, float and complex number we can able to do the things. Okay, now string. The string is a sequence of character. Python supports Unicode character. What do you mean by Unicode character? Unicode character in the sense, usually you know ASCII code. ASCII code means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. You are typing A. The A ASCII value is 65. So that 65 will be converted into 8 bits. That 8 bits will be ones and zeros. It will be stored. That is a ordinary character system in the beginning they are using. Now after the computer advance, everything is coming, we are typing Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, all the languages here. We want to store that the Kannada character, Tamil character, Hindi character, how it is possible? They are coming with a Unicode. Unicode means each character will have the 2 bytes. Okay, so that the first byte for the language, second byte for the character, like that they are making the things. That is Unicode character also supported here. Generally strings are represented by either single or double quotes. I told you yesterday only example when we have to use the single quote, when we have to use the double quote. Usually you go with the single quote only. For example, Rom's pen or my sister's school, like that you are coming. One apostrophe you are using means you have to use a double quote. Here the thing, string in a double quote. Okay, string in a single quote. Print A, it will be automatically, it will be print the thing. You can able to concatenate with B, with the plus symbol you can able to concatenate. Even I showed you yesterday about the multiplication also. String multiplication is there. No other language will have that thing. You are giving Ram and multiply with 5 means 5 times it will come Ram, it will come. That is a thing. Okay, now again we will go this integer and string thing only we can practice, come back, then we will go with a list. Okay, data types. Here I am going to give a equal to 10. Control C. You want to add the thing, blue color is there, you press B button, it will come automatically, you can add it. You can give type of A, will get int. B equal to 10.345. Then type of B. Type function is, it is nothing but what B is what type. It is a float. One more thing, in C programming and Pascal programming, other thing, we have to declare the variable, then we have to use. I am not declaring anything, no, just I am putting A and 10 means it is coming. Okay, automatically it is no need to give the variable declaration. Whether you come across basic or not, basic means beginner's all purpose symbolic instruction code. That is a one type of interpreter language. No need to declare the variable, we can straightforward, we can use the things. C equal to 100 plus 3j. Type C. So that is a complex number. So that you have the idea about that when it will come integer, float, and I think no need to declare. You assign the variable, automatically will change. Here the type conversion will happen. For example, A Arial 10 is there coming. No, I am giving A equal to 54.346 I am making. Okay, now type A. it will come automatically float. You understand, no? So the type conversion will happen automatically. You are storing a string, it will automatically convert it into string. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. The output.
Pardon?
If you want to get the output, what button should click, sir?
Output a control C. You have to make this thing, and here it is in a green color box is coming. No, you have to press the control button and control enter you are giving, it will come, the line number is coming. Now for example, here I'm making a print hello. Okay, now cursor should be there. The cursor should be in the inbox. You can see, no, it is a no number is there. You have to press the control button and enter. Then here asterisk will come. Then it will be converted into 9. You can see it's already 9 is executed above, so that it is coming as a 10. So that control enter you have to do. Okay. Now we can go with an string operator. Name 1. Siva. Name 2. In one cell only you can write a number of things also. Kumar. You can give name 1 plus name 2. Siva Kumar is coming. First two things is assignment. I am assigning the name 1 to Siva and Kumar to name 2, and I am printing that print statement is optional. You are not printing print, you are not giving also, it will come Siva Kumar, it will come. Now for example, type of name 1 you are giving, it will come string. It is a string. Here one more thing I showed you, print name 1 into 5. You are giving name 1 into 5. It will come 5 times Siva it is coming. Why the space is coming? Because I given a space here. You are not given the space here, it will not come. For example, I remove the space here. Okay. Now I am executing. We have to execute. We are not executing, it will not assigned. Again I am executing. Line number is changing. 14. And you no need to execute the 12th, it is not needed. You can give, it will come Siva it is coming because the space is removed. That is the thing. Okay, so that you are able to do. And here one more beauty also there, you can give print name 1 within bracket, you can give 0 means it will take the first character. Yes, it is always starting with a 0. Siva is having S is 0, I is 1, V is 2, A is 3. So 0 to 3 it is coming. So that you can, whatever you want, you can able to change it. Like that also you can able to do. So that you are aware of the what is the strings. Okay, in data types you should know. In numerical thing you have the integer, float, that's enough. In string is a nothing but an one string array only. We can able to concatenate the string, we can able to multiply the string, and we can able to take the one by one character. Like a string array, we can able to take the characters by specifying the index. That is a 0 is index. You are giving 1 means it will come I. In name 2 0 you are giving what will come, blank space will come, because I given blank space, it will not come. Okay, this is a basic thing only. In further user defined function, other thing we are going, we can do lot of things with all these things. Okay, now the list. Okay, the list is a versatile data type exclusive in Python. What they are trying to tell you, the list is a special type only in Python. The list is not there in Java or C programming, any other programming it is not there. What is the beauty of the list means, I am asking you, take a list, what are the item your friend is having. You are taking a list, he is having a pen 2 numbers, he is having a purse 4 numbers, he is having a books 3 numbers. Here books is a string, 4 is a numerical data. You can't able to keep that combination of the numerical data and string data in a single array. It is not possible in any languages, but in Python you can able to store any order. You can able to store string or numerical data in a single list. We can able to do. Okay. In the sense it is the same as the array in C/C++. It is a thing, but the interesting thing about the list in Python is that can simultaneously hold different types of data. It will able to store inside the list. You can store another list also. That is one more beauty. Okay, inside one single dimensional array you can able to store in one dimension only. You can able to store another single dimensional array. That is a beauty. Formally, list is an ordered sequence of the some data written using the square brackets, okay, and commas. Okay, we have to use like here you can see that bracket will be, there is one more thing we are going to see, tuple. What is the difference between the string and a tuple? It is a tuple is that the bracket is vary. Here the parenthesis will be curve. Here it is a square bracket. We have to use the square bracket. That is very important. You can see here I am creating a one list a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, print a means all this thing it will come. You are giving that the another list B, hello John, names you can keep one more list. You can print all the numbers will come. You can see it is a peculiar. Hey you 1, 2, 3 go is coming. Here that the 1, 2, 3 is a numerical data. Hey you is a string data. We can able to use like this also. That is the concept of the list. Okay, we will create and come back. List example. I am clicking that make it a blue color and pressing that the M button, so that it will be coming as a markdown, and you can execute. It will come like this. You want to add the thing B button. If it is in a blue color, you have to press the B. It will add n number of lines. It will add. Okay. Now A equal to, I can keep 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I can execute. Here type of A. Type of A is a list. Now you can print A of 0. What is A of 0? It is a 2. You want A of hello, yeah, A of 3 we are making. You can able to print that 8. It is coming. Here one more thing also there. A of I want from 0 to 3 I want. Okay, 0 means first character element is 0, index is 0, 4 is a 1, 6 is a 2, 8 is a 3. Okay, 0 through 3 I want means we can able to get the things. It will be not come last element, above that it will come. Okay, it is a 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 8. Before that we are getting a 3 elements we are getting. Suppose you want in between, you want the things is I can able to make it a square bracket. I want to make it from 1 colon. I want to make 4, like that means it first element will not come. 4, 6, 8 we can get. This is a concept of the array, list. Okay, in the list we can able to store something also. Name, I am keeping a names. Ram, Ganesh, Bharat, Giri, like that I can able to keep the names. Okay, now you can able to make it the names of 2. What it will come? Names of 2 means it will come Bharat will come. Bharat is coming. Same thing. So that I can able to combination also I can give. It is items. Maybe address I can keep one thing. Address. Address on list I am kicking. First is a door number. Okay. It is a 52. Then the street number it is coming. Street number is 8th main. And fourth thing is location. Jayanagar. Next thing is a city, Loor. Then we can able to go with an 560011. Okay, now you can see now the door number and the pin code is a numeric, whereas the street name, area name and city is a string. It is also allowed. You want I want the area only. I want what I have to give. I can give print address of what I have to do 012. You are giving a 2 means it will, you are getting the area. You want the city means you can able to make it. What we can do, address of 3. You are giving the thing, you can get the city. You want the pin code, address of 4. So that when you imagine you are using a for loop and other thing, all the list is there. It is a very beauty. You can able to print the each student area only, pin code only, mobile number only with the loop thing in single array means how beauty, no? In other language it is not possible. You can't able to merge the numerical data and string data in single array kind of thing. It is not possible. That is the very interesting thing in Python. And now the door number is wrong. It is not 52. It is a 53 means I can change it. Address of 0 equal to 53. I made mistake. Okay, 53. Now you can print address of 0. You can know 53. You type address, you'll get all the things, you will get it. Hope no? So that it is a very interesting list, is a very interesting. Okay, next thing we are going to see about tuple. Tuple is another data type which is a sequence of the data similar to list. It is a similar to list only, but only one thing is it is a immutable. That is only we made it a underline. Okay, immutable means one time you created the tuple, you can't able to change any data inside thing. In the list I made the correction in the door number. No, my door number is 52. It is a 53. I changed it to 52 to 53. But in a tuple it is not possible. And the second thing is it is a parenthesis. We have to use the parenthesis. That is a curve thing. We have to use the things. You can see here also multiple thing. A equal to 1 2 3 4, print A, and B equal to hello 1 2 3, like that we can able to do, and print B of 4, everything, but it is a immutable. We can check it out, those things. Okay, now I'm making it is a tuple example. You can use like markdown, or you can put hash thing you are giving. It will be become a comment. Okay, in single thing only we can able to type multiple thing lines. You can able to give t1 tuple 1 equal to open bracket 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 11, and t2 equal to items. I can able to keep pen, pencil, bike, laptop, like that you can able to do. All are allowed. Now you type t1, will get t2, will get. Now I want to change t1 of 2. t1 of 2 is 5. I think 0. Here you can see, no, for creation only we have to use the curve parenthesis. For the indexing we have to use the square only. Don't use curve, it will give error. Now I try to change 5. I want to change it to T1 of 2 is 5. No, I am making it as a 10. How I change the list address? No, like that I am trying to change. It will immutable. No, it will give error. It's giving error because tuple is a immutable. You can't able to change the value. Tuple object does not support item assignment. You see, no, this is important. So the tuple we can't able to do. In tuple also you can use mix match. T3 equal to same thing 52 7th main BSK Bangalore 560070. I can create it, but then you can type T3, it will get the things. Okay, we can't able to change. Why we want to do changing and not changing? During some programming time, something we want to become a constant. We are taking one data set from for example Aadhaar card correction system. You are doing verification. Aadhaar card things which are available in the database is genuine. We can't able to change the thing. That time you have to use a tuple. Where is some editing is there, some processing is there, correction works is going on, then we can able to take the Aadhaar card address and convert it into list and we can able to do the changes. That is a difference between the when to use the list, when to use the tuple. That is the difference. Okay. Now one more data type, interesting data type is a dictionary. What is dictionary? I am telling you what is the meaning of the one word. I am telling that what is the meaning of a nipple, okay, or I am telling about the what is the meaning of the something called environment or ambience. What is the meaning of ambience? I am asking you. So that you will take the dictionary, you will go and you check that ambience means the meaning will be given to you. Know it is a environment. How the ambience means it is atmosphere, like that they are telling. No, that is a here the key is a ambience, value is a atmosphere, like that is coming. No, that is a key value pair we can able to do the things. Okay, so that how to create the dictionary. In the dictionary we have to use the curly brackets. Okay, list square bracket, tuple curly brackets. Here the curly brackets we have to use. In dictionary you have to use the key and value as to come together. Okay, you can see the thing. 1 equal to curly brackets inside 1 first name, 2 last name, age equal to 33. Here also you can beauty know key is also numeric. It is not definitely numerical. Age is a key, but that key is a string. So that any order we can able to do, that is a big thing. I can give roll number, any order we can able to give roll number, your name, your max mark, science mark, like that. I want all the students science mark. In a loop you can keep it and take the things. All the science marks will come automatically. No, that is the beauty of the this thing. We can work it out of this thing. Okay. First one is a student name, 2 is a father name I am keeping. Okay, it is executed. A number you are getting. No, now you want the value, how you have to give the things, that the index value, that the key value is, it's not index, the key value you have to give. You can go stu of, I want the student father name 2, it's Arvind. Student name is Ganesh, second is Arvind. I want his class, stu of BCA. Here I will type stu of, why the error is coming? Above thing is class is coming BCA, here it is error is coming because it is a case sensitive. You see, no, here the capital C I given, whereas here I am giving the small c, so that error is coming. You are making it a capital, it will be okay. Okay, now I am making here small c only. Okay, small c. Okay, now you are making a small c here. I am executing. Error is coming. Sir, I corrected there, sir. Why it is coming error? Because you are not executed this thing. After correcting, it is a 40 only. No, you have to execute it. That is you have to place the cursor and controls you make. Now it will become 46. Then you can go here. It will be work. Correct? No. Now this will become error because capital C. You are making small c. It will come work. Okay. Now here. Got it? So that this is the beauty of Python. You are having a entirely different types of data sets. Okay, there is no declaration needed. Automatic type conversion is there. In a numerical thing, what is the advantage? You are having complex number, and float will have up to 15 decimal places are there. In a string thing, you can able to you can, once you assign the thing, you can use as a string as an array. In a string, concatenation also available, multiplication also available. That's are available, and special data types are list, tuple, and we are having dictionary. All these things are available. These are the amazing data types available in Python. Okay, up to this I am covering you the operator. I covered you 3 operator: arithmetic operator, relational operator, and conditional operator, and I covered you about the data types. Mainly, what are the data types I covered you? I covered you the data types. Numeric data type, string data type, list, tuple, and dictionary. This is the 2 sessions is over. Okay, now next thing is I am going to cover you if statement, else statement, and else if statement, multiple if, and loops we are going to cover. Okay, I'll give one 5 minutes break for you. Okay, I am disconnecting the session now. That is, you will be live only. Screen sharing I am disconnecting. Again I will come back in 5 minutes. Now is 12:26. I will be exactly back at 12:30 or 31. I will be back. Okay. Any questions are there? You can mention in a comment. Okay. I am going to stop the screen sharing. You have any doubts or anything, you can able to make it in a comment. Okay, we covered all this thing. Just recollection: the numerical data type, string data type, list, and tuple, and dictionary. Usually when you are going with an if statement, we have to use the relational operator and AND operator. That is a conditional operator and relational operator we have to use. Okay, whereas when we are going with an for loop and other thing, definitely list will come into the picture. Okay, now I am creating one more new Python book. Okay, now we can going for an example of a if statement. If statement BBBB, we can add a number of things. Now what we have to do means, here the if 3 is greater than 2, you have to give, after the condition you have to give the colon. Okay, and you have to press the enter button. Where the cursor is there, you have to start typing from there only. Don't go beyond. Here the spacing is very important, because in C programming and Pascal programming they have the open bracket, close bracket. Here only based on the space only Python will be identified. So that you have to make print hello. So the control execute. Print is not defined. Small p. Okay, we have to use the small p. Print hello. What I did the thing, print is p capital, so that it is telling it is not allowed. So that small p we are giving the things. Okay, here the condition is there. After this condition you have to give the colon, then you have to print hello, means it will come here. Okay, now I am having a one condition. Okay, a equal to 10. Okay, b equal to 20. If a is greater than b, then print a is big. Okay, now it will print only this part only. A is a big means it will print. Now we want, means what you have to do, this time you have to go back, you have to put else, again colon you have to give, then print b is big. Hope you got it. It is a very small program only. B is big. You change it, a is an 100, again you run it, it will come a is a big. Hope screen is sharing to you, no? You all are seeing that, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is a if statement. Okay, if a is greater than b, print a is big, else it is a thing. Okay, now among the three numbers we want to find the ABC, biggest among three number. On that day logical program I covered, you know, that program you can give. A equal to 20, b equal to 40, c equal to 35 we can give. Now if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then colon condition, print a is big. Is big. Else if no, you have to give el if. Else if condition is a else if, don't put full name, el if is enough. Else if b is greater than c, then print b is big. Else again semicolon has to come, print c is big. You understand the logic, no? So that a equal to 20, b equal to 40, c equal to 35. What we have to give the answer? B is big has to come. Okay, control enter. B is big. Now you make c is a 350. You again execute, it is coming, c is big. You make a is 2000, run it, a is big. So that it is a very simple. Okay, it is a I am using the relational operator and conditional operator, we made it and we make the things. Okay, that is a very important. Okay, it is a if statement. Then we can go with an looping statement. Okay, for loop and other thing we can do. I'll make it as an conditional statement. Python exercise if rename. Okay, now the loops. Here I already in the interval time I made it all these things loops. Now I can able to, here in the kernel you can able to go and you can know restart and clear output is there, because sometime you are going with the loop, no, you may forget some condition, it will go to infinite loop, it will be keep printing. That time what you have to do, you have to go to the kernel, restart and clear output you have to make. You are doing the thing, restart and clear output means everything will be cleared. You see, no, everything will clear, these numbers will be gone. Now here I am going to showcase you first thing is called range. Why this range is coming? It's the range is one function in Python. You can give anything because the first index is less, the second index is big. Okay, you are giving 0 to 5 means you will get the numbers. What numbers you will get? It is a range 0 to 5 only coming. Okay, now you want to print the thing means you have to convert this range into the list. Then you can run it, you will get the thing 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5 numbers, first 5 numbers. 0 is the starting thing and the second thing 5 is the how many numbers we want, so that 5 numbers will get. Now in for loop, usually you write in a program in C and other thing, no, the first program what you will do, for I equal to 1 to 5 or for I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, then you will make the thing I plus plus, you will do the things, no, increment in the C program you are doing. Here there is no such kind of thing. Here we have to give that it is I is a index variable only here. Okay, it is immaterial. What we are using I, you have to use it in the body also, that will be represent the index value. You are telling that, yeah, in range 0 to 5 means what it will do means it will print the 0 to 4, it will print automatically. For I in range 0 to 5, print I means it will print automatically. Now it is not necessary we have to use the range only. You can use a list, you can use a tuple, anything you can use. I am creating on a list, n equal to 10, 20, 25, 50, I am creating the things. I am executing the things. Now I am telling that for num in n, that is a n is a my list. Here the num, you can use num, you can use k, anything you can use. Okay, here num means what it will do, it will first take 10 first time iteration, second time it will take 20, third time 25, fourth time it will take 50. Here print num into 2 I am giving, no, it is I am multiplying the square, that's all, so that it will make it 10, 20, 30 like that. It is not necessary num only, you can put k, you can keep k also, here also you can keep k, that's all. It is not compulsory in a for loop you have to use I only, no, you can use anything, you can use apple also your index, like that. In a we can use anything, it will give the same output, it will give. Okay, now one more thing is a while loop. You are having a while loop, so that while loop when we have to use I equal to 1, I am initializing the thing, while I is less than 5, okay, semicolon is important here, and print I and I equal to I plus 1. What will happen, it will print I and it will incremented by, here the space is very important, the space is very important. I equal to I plus 1, you are removing the space means the loop will go these 2 lines only, so that it become infinite loop. And you forgot that I equal to I plus 1, you forgot also, it will become infinite loop, it will be continuously print 1 only, it will keep printing the things. Okay, so that what will happen, it will print the I 1, then it is incrementing, again going and looking the thing, how many values it will print, it will print 1 2 3 4, up to 4 it will print, because I am giving less than only, you are giving less than or equal to, it will print up to 5, it will print, correct, no? Okay, you can understand. So that it is a while loop, so that it is a simple for and it is a simple while loop. Whenever you are using the while loop, you have to declare the index variable in the above only, and some condition you have to make it here when to exit the loop, then you have to print the things like that. Now I am using the for loop, I am filling the one list, I am creating a one empty list out. Okay, for I equal to for I in range 0, 10, that means it will come 0 to 9, it is going to come. Okay, what I am doing to out dot append is a new command. In this list I am going to add, what I am going to add, I am going to add that I value is what, it is the first thing is become 0 to the power into 2, I am going to do 0, second thing 1 it become 2, then 3 becomes 6, like that I am going to add it. Then a print out means you will get the things 2 4 even numbers, we are getting the things. Okay, first 9, 0 to 9. Here one more thing also, you want square number means 0 to 5 we are giving the thing, you can get the square number. 0, 1, 4, 9, 16 like that we can do. So that it is a 2 lines code, no for loop. No, I can make it in a single line also. What I have to print this I to the power 2, it is nothing but I to the power 2. I want to make means you cut this thing and put it in front of the for loop, and you have to make it as a list, square bracket you have to make, and you make this thing means it will be automatically, it will be print. So that the 2 lines will be converted into single line. So that only Python codes are becoming, you want to write this output, you want to come with the C programming like that, you have to write 5-6 lines code. But here simple, within 1 line I can able to get the output. That is the thing. And you want to store it in one variable, same thing you can put x you can put, and you can able to run the thing, it will be stored in the x. You can print x means it will come. Type of x is nothing but it is a list. That's all. Got it? No, this is the advantage of the Python. Okay, so that you know that loops, whenever you are using loop, you can remember the range we can able to create to create the series of number. You are giving range 0,5 means it will not print, but you have to make it as a list. Inside that you are giving, you will get the print. But for loop you no need to use the list, you can use range only, it will understand. Here it may be I, it may be k, it may be num, anything you can use index number, and you can able to use the things. So that it is a simple example how to use the for loop. Okay, I'll share all these Jupyter notebook files to you. You can able to go, you can able to practice in your home. You are having laptop, you are not having laptop, I will upload this video in YouTube. Today afternoon you will get the video, so that you can go through before coming to the next class. At least one time you have to go through. You are having doubt, 2-3 times you go through. You are having any doubts on that, you can send a WhatsApp message, you can record the message also. No need to type anything, you can record. I am not very clear with the for loop, sir, I am having a doubt in if statement, please repeat if statement one more time. Like that you can record the message and send to them, so that in next session I will able to cover you those things, and I will able to come back to you. Okay. Up to this I am going to stop today's session, and next I am going to cover you one general thing called emotional intelligence. I am going to cover you on 5 minutes. Okay, then I am ending this session. Any doubt in loops? It is you aware of the for loop, but the syntax is vary here. Okay, the concept is same only. Here the thing, you can able to use a list as it is. You can use anything in a for loop here. In single line statement also you can make it. What you want to print, it is a 1 line for loop means you can put it in the front means it will be execute. That is the thing. Type of function is there. Next session we will go in advance about all these things. We are going to cover user defined functions. In that user defined function, definitely for loop, list, everything will come. We can able to define one problem, we can able to create the things. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share the video to your friends. If you have any queries or anything, just mention in the comment, and handle your project easily. Visit our website www.dhsinformatics.com. For more information, you can send a mail to info@dhsinformatics.com, or you feel free to call us on 9886692401 or 98451 66723. You can WhatsApp us also. Thank you. Have a good day.